Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of personal growth and forgiveness with our Notion template. Notion is a powerful tool that helps you organize your life, set goals, and track your progress all in one place. In in the forgiveness section, you'll find tool to help you let go of grudges and move forward with empathy. There are two main parts: empathy and perspective taking, and release control and let go. Yeah, two main parts. First one, empathy and perspective taking. Here you can reflect on the past conflicts, understand others' perspectives, and learn valuable lessons. Simply fill details like the situation, the person involved, and the lesson learned, and etc. And the second is release control and let go. This section help you release negative emotions and regain control of your life. Like write down all the write down the affirmations, mindful technique you use, the more to help you get let go the past that hurts. The table contains all the details, properties that can allow you to write more details and info that can go deep and understand what you feel and finally let go. Next step is we have management section where we put where you can set goals and manage tasks for your personal growth and your professional growth. You can add anything like tasks and goals. You can set goals and do your task to complete the goal. Simple as that. Here you can find the task where you can add task, and there's a relationship for adding goals that we'll see directly in the goals section too. And there is notes. You can take notes for when you get found something interesting about or that can help or whatever or everything that can help in achieving your goal, task, or anything that can be useful. Then now keep track of your to-do list. Prioritize tasks and mark them as complete once you have done. Like this, as you can see. Here you can set achievable goals for yourself. Whether they are weekly or monthly or yearly goals. And then you can connect that goal with the relation to task and the track, and you can track the process over time. Yeah, fill the details. Okay, you should add data into these columns. Fill this all. Now lastly in management section we have notes. Just jot down thoughts, ideas, and inspiration in your note section. Can even add links to your notes for specific goals or tasks for easy reference. Finally, we have the growth section. It's the third method in the framework where you can reflect on our journey and celebrate your success. There is a section also for, yeah, look, there is a daily log and a journal. First, daily log. Here, write diary entries to track your mood, insights, and reflections. It's a great way to stay mindful and focus on your personal growth. And now, journal. Use the journal section to dive deeper into the thoughts and emotions. Help you reflection on your experience, express gratitude, and cultivate a positive mindset. That's the whole purpose of this method, last method called growth mindset. Now let's go to the home page. You find a summary of your recent activities and the quick access to all the sections. It's more like your personal command center of for growth and forgiveness. And there you have it. With an ocean, you have everything you need to unlock your and potential, cultivate forgiveness, and achieving a goal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for a video for videos like this. Thank you.